Good morning, students. Today I explain evaluations of expressions and previously explained what is the expressions. Expression is any valid combinations in Python. It's called expressions. Okay, so it is basically combined with the operators, literal variables. Okay, so the definitions of expressions is an expressions in Python is any valid combinations of operators and item. An expressions is composed of one or more operations. Okay, here one I am explain item. Item is a something that has value like identifier, literal, string, list, tuple, whatever things we are given inside the as a variable. Okay, these are called item, and if the combinations of items and operators, it's called expressions. Okay, so in today's I explained the evaluations of expressions. There are different types of expressions. First we know what's the expressions. Okay, so in expressions, basically first I explain expressions is a evaluations. Okay, it means by how they any expressions will be executed, in which order. It's called expressions. In math you are solve the complex programs, and which particular point will be accessed first is called same in Python evaluations of arithmetical expressions. It's considered the following rules. First one is operator precedency. Okay, in which operators having first precedency, second precedencies. According to maths, it's these rules is also followed in Python. Okay, then evaluations order. The basic order is evaluated each of the operators or arguments. First it will be executed the expression whatever we are inserted inside the argument, then perform any implicity conversions. Implicity conversion, it mean by if we want to change during the expressions like int to float, boolean value to integer value. So second it perform that conversion. Then third, compute the results based on operators. According to operators it will be computed. ठीक है, first like that, first addition, subtraction, multiplication, then division, BODMAS rule it will be follow. Then replace the sub expressions and repeat till the final results obtained. Look at one expressions. A equal to ch plus I divided by db. Here the value of ch is 5, a is 2 and db is 5.0. it means by its float value. So how it will be executed? First it will be executed the both argument value whatever inside we are in ch plus I, so it will be evaluated first it. Okay, then after we got the results 5 plus 2 equal to 7, then divided by db. What's the value? 5.0. so it will be written 1.4. it will be changed the integer value into the float one. Next expressions, fd divided by db. it's inside the argument. Then multiply ch. Okay, then divided by 2. basically the bracket is like that, ch then divided by 2. Okay, like that it will be shown. So how it will be executed? First it will be executed this one, fd divided by db. Okay, so whatever results they got, it will be just multiply with this ch value or 5, then what results we got, it will be divided by 2. like that this value this expressions will be evaluated. Okay, now next Evaluations of relational expressions. Relational expressions I previously explained. If we want to compare the values, so we use relational operators like equal to, less than, greater than, etc. So all comparisons operators, a boolean value is true and false. Okay, relational operators, if we are using relational operators, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to, equal to. So all the combinations return either true value or the false value. Okay, then comparisons in Pythons are chaining, arbitrary. It internally treated as a, actually if we are giving so many or chain like a is less than b less than c, so how the Python read it? A is less than b, a is less than b, and b is less than c, like that. Okay, so it will be just compare these two equations. Okay, look at the examples. So these expressions, how it will be evaluated? First it evaluated a is less than b, a is less than b. So what's the value is a 10 and b value 23, so it will be written true. Okay, second it compare b is less than or equal to c, so here less than and equal to बोल रहा, तो equal to is true, so it also written true value. Okay, but the last one, a is less than b and less than equal to c, here three combinations, so it will be read as a is less than b and, okay, and b is less than equal to c. So both expressions are not true, so it will be written false in this case. Okay, now the next one is evaluations of logical expressions. Then logical expressions use or, and not operators. The rule is the precedency of logical operators is lower. It's a very low precedency. It means by it's executed at last after arithmetical and relational expressions. The next is precedencies is not and or. Okay, in this first precedency is not, second is and third is or. Then important point, the and or. If the or expressions, Python only evaluated second. If the first one is false, then in and it Python only evaluated the second argument if the first is true. Okay, in both having the different is that in or the first is false, so it will be check the second one, but in and operator it check the both one. Okay, first it evaluated, then second. Then look at the expressions. 5 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 5, or 3 is less than 8 and not 8 is less than 18. So what's the results? First expressions is true, okay, but second is false, so it will be written the false. Okay, then after it will be go to the third or, so it written true value. Then after it checked not, so it's again written the false, so the final result is so false. Okay, now typecasting. What is the typecasting? If we want to change the types like integer to float, float to integer or something else, it's called typecasting. Okay, so the definitions is the explicit conversions of an operand to special types is called typecasting. It is known as typecasting. The syntax is data type and expressions. Look at here. First, I just use one variable a is integer type. Then d equal to float a. So it means by it change the integer value into the float value. Okay, so explicit type conversions is user defined conversions that force an expressions to be a specific type. The explicit type conversions is also known type conversion. Basically it is user defined, and if we want to change from low precedency to high precedencies or low value to high value, so we are using type conversions. Okay, so the type conversion functions are int, float, complex, string. These are the functions, bool functions. Okay, so these are convert the values. Thank you dear.